story of my life, mate. Or you can just press the red tab and I can drop it.
No, you can't.
Take over.
You're down.
Just one of them down.
You're down.
Be alive.
On the floor.
What have you got?
Right down!
You're down on the floor, push your
Forward.
Get what you want. We have highly skilled firearms officers who train in various different situations to address firearms threats. That gives us the opportunity to capture footage from the viewpoint of a shooter. And by sharing that with Facebook, they're going to be able to build algorithms to identify this type of material when it's loaded onto the internet very quickly and prevent that being shared further.
Someone got pen!
Alright, you do with a gun, Close on.
The attacks in Christchurch in March this year, of course, brought much greater focus into this particular problem. The distress caused to victims and relatives of victims, knowing that this footage is being shared, and therefore a lot more focus after the Christchurch attack. And we saw earlier this month as well in Halle in Germany, again, similar footage being shared on platforms.
Vitriol on social media is frightening. The growing inequality between those
fined $5 billion by the Federal Trade Commission.
You're right that in 2016 we were on our back foot in terms of preventing Russia from attempting to interfere in our elections. We've spent a lot of the last few years building systems that are more sophisticated than any other company has at this point, and frankly a lot of governments too.
Working closely with Facebook is going to enable us to reduce the proliferation of this material online, and anything that can do that has to be a good thing.
I'm right there.
Yeah,